Before we lost our two central defenders, this is Bora and this is Joseph. They cannot help us maybe long time. This is a problem. Now also problem our defense midfielder or central defender Ershad cannot play next match because he got a red card. But good news, our striker Cesar come back to the team. He started to work with us and he is now ready for the next match. But these three players cannot help us in match against Kerala Blasters there. You don't understand me very well. Before the season I did not say we need to be in top 6. Never I say like that. On my first press conference I said we try to play good every match, we try to win many matches, we try to be up in the championship. Maybe this is top 4, maybe this is top 6, maybe this is another position, but never I say this is our target. Our target to make one strong team and the next 2-3 seasons start to fighting for the good position in the championship. Look, I am not stupid to say to win ISL in first season with not experienced players who need to get this experience. This is not like that, and we don't think about Super 6 or about Super 8 or about top 4. We think about next match. This is very important, but now we are in situation we are last. Now our big target to leave this position. We cannot stay on the last. This is for us very important. About football, about formation, about tactical issues. We are not about speak about life. You can also ask me about how is my wife, how is my daughter, but this is not together with the football. Okay, then we will speak about football, please. No, first we cannot say every match the same situation. Yes, we received last minutes goal against Northeast Goa. Which team also last minutes Bengaluru, but sometimes they score it in first half, sometimes they score it like last match in first minute, second half. This is cannot say the same situation. Every match different situation, but many goals we received in last minute. This is true, but also this is about experience of our players. This is about concentration in last minutes, and maybe we start to be more tired in last minutes as another teams. We know about that, and sometimes we change the situation, sometimes not in our hand. Maybe emotion of our players go too much up. They also can keep a draw, but they want to win this match. They go in attack and they cannot come back in the time. This is like that about situations, but I cannot say the same every match. It's not like that. We played against them here. We saw how they are strong in attack, and last minutes they brought 4 attacking players. They really very strong in this area. We need to think about that, how we need to play against them, but how I say before every match we need to be serious in the match. We need to bring good power in the match, and now it's way much more difficult to play because they have so many supporters, maybe about 25,000 will come to stadium and support them very well, and our players must be ready for that atmosphere, for that situation. But yes, they have this is in attacking area, and then we need to think, we need to speak about that, and we need to be more serious in defense as before. Sometimes happened in football, these situations, not only with us, Manchester City cannot win, I think, 10 matches or like that, or in 10 matches they won only one match. Sometimes happen this, but you need to work, you need to continue to work good, you need to explain the players it will be change soon, only about work, not another things. And we spoke with them about that, how we can change this situation, how we can be better, and they understood they are professional people, and I'm so happy to work with them because they like this job, they like this club. They want to give all the best for this club, but this is the football. You can be better in many matches, but you cannot win. But they will change this situation, and I believe that. But about motivation, they know they need to play for this club, they need to play for themselves, they need to play for them family, they need to play for them future. This is big motivation in football life.
Because all the players are really working hard. They give all in the training ground. As you know, what happened has happened. It's in the past. So we are only focusing on the next game, like the coach said. So we try to stay as a positive, and we try to bring out everything on the next game.
Thank you.